Hello guys, here I am again. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you another usage of the function patch. If you haven't watched my past video about function patch, I recommend you to watch it, so it will help you to understand this video. So let's start adding a function patch here. In my last tutorial about this patch, we create a pixelated image without using the pixelate patch that comes here in the AR library. So let's also add a rectangle. Let's increase fill width, fill height, and add material. Let's put flat here. Let's use a camera texture. So extract the camera. Let's drag the camera texture here to our patch editor. Okay, and now to create copies of our texture, we need to multiply the function patch. Set this to vector 2. Now we need to use the module. Also set to vector 2. And finally, we need to add a composition patch so we can combine these two functions. Because with the composition patch, it says here in the description, we can combine two functions. And the result is going to be the combination of these two functions. So the first function is our camera texture. It's going to be our texture, our image. Let's extract the texture of the material here. Let's connect. It's not working yet because we need to connect our module. Okay, nothing changed. It's because they multiply here, the second value, we only multiply by 1 only. If you multiply by 2, in the x direction, you're going to have 2 images. If you multiply 3, it's going to have 3 images. Same thing in the y direction. If you multiply 2 by 2, you're going to have 2 images, like 2 rows, right? And in the x position, in the x input here, you're going to have the number of columns. So if you keep increasing, you're going to have 5 columns. If we increase at y, we're going to have, for example, 5 rows. So we're going to have 5 by 5 image here. And you can add any other texture. I'm going to use one texture here. Let's bring this here. Connect. See, we have copies of this picture here. So you can do this with any kind of texture. If you want to create copies, you can use this. You can use this technique here. And just to do a quick review, last tutorial about this function patch, we did this. Oops. We did this here. Let me connect in the material. And connect our camera texture here. We learned how to pixelate the image using these patches here. So guys, those are the two usages that I know about this function patch. If you had another usage, you can comment here, like I said in the other video. So these two usage of the function patch is going to be useful for understanding the how to make a Kira Kira effect. So if you know what Kira Kira is those filters with like sparkle, many sparkles in the screen. We use both techniques to achieve the Kira Kira effect. So I intend to do a Kira Kira tutorial teaching how to do a Kira Kira effect from scratch. So if you're willing to do the Kira Kira tutorial, it's important that you understand those two effects. So guys, that's it for today, and see you in the next time.